Okay, this video is of the KITAMURA 4XiF 4-axis vertical machining center. It's new in 2009. It's got a 50 taper spindle, speeds to 10,000 RPMs, a Fanuc 16 IMB CNC control, and the Sudacoma 4th axis rotary table, along with a tailstock, which I'll show you here in a second. All right, we'll do a demonstration of it moving. He said it's a really good machine. It's quiet. Got the air compressor, of course, running here in the background, but it's a Fanuc 16 IMB with a remote pulse generator. A little closer, showing you the interior. It does have through spindle coolant as well. Take you around and show you the electrical cabinet. It's got a chiller, comes along. That's about it.